Hi, so I'm going to show you how to use Publisher a little bit today. I'm not going to show you everything on there. If you are needing something specific, you can look it up on YouTube. But I'm going to show you just a few basic things that'll help you design and plan out your poster for your project. I'm going to start out by showing you how I want you to size it. So you're going to go to Custom Size, or create new paper size, and then you can see the width and the height right there. You want to change that to 18 by 24 inches. When you hit done, you can then go in here and start inserting all of your information. You've got word art, you can enter pictures, you can do all sorts of things. The word art's kind of cool because, it creates a cool title, big and bold. You can resize it, you can change the font, and do lots of different things with it. So be creative. Text boxes are how you're going to put most of your information in. So, just make labels for what information is which. So here I'm doing the characteristics for Impressionism. You can type that in there. If you find that you run out of room, then you can always resize the text and also resize the box to make it all fit in there. I'm basically going to be going through just the creation of a poster. It's sped up, so the video shouldn't take very long. I don't think I ever show the final product, but I have attached the file to Edmodo so you can see what I did to complete the poster containing all the information that should be on your research guides. You can change the color schemes on page design. You can do all sorts of different things like that. You can change it individually or use one of the pre-made ones up at the top. You can also change the background color of the page and make it look pretty cool. If you look down where it said more backgrounds, there's other options that you can play around with. If you look at what I did over here, oh, it went away. I changed the alignment to not only center of the text box, but the vertical alignment of it as well. So there's different alignments that you can play around with there. When it comes to shapes, you can even change the border and the colors of the shapes, and you can put text inside of them. Since this is going to be hopefully printed out eventually, you want it to make, even though you want the text to be cool and really eye-catching and stuff like that, you also want it to be readable. So make wise choices in what font you choose. Make sure it's readable, but also, bold at the same time. What I'm doing now, I paused it. It's going a little too fast. I have copy and pasted the photos for the artwork in there. So once you do that, whichever artworks you decide to put in there for your movement, you can just go to Google Images, right-click, copy and paste them into the document, resize them where they will all fit. Notice I have labeled them, the date, the title, and the artist. And I'm also using shapes again to put a black border. Without the border, it kind of like blends in with the gray. So you might want to consider doing something like that. You can also, if you get super creative, you can actually create a background using a picture that you find, and you can change the transparency so it's not right in your face. You can kind of wash it out a little bit, which is kind of cool. I'm going to actually show you how to do that in the Canva tutorial as well. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to unpause this and just show you the rest of how I'm doing the frames around the pictures. And that's basically about it for this. So, oh, up here, send backward, that's how you get the box behind the picture. So you can arrange your shapes and text boxes, anything that you put on there, you can send it forward or backward to layer it the way you want it to be. And that's about it. If you have any other questions, YouTube or text me on Remind, and good luck.